belief that so many students, and I certainly had as a student, have as they're going through their study, which is knowledge is power. This idea that we just need to learn more and more content, and that's what's going to make us successful and get us the grades that we're striving for. However, when it comes to exams, assessment, performance in essays and extended responses, it's a myth. Now, that is not to say they do not need any subject content, but there is a lot more to it than this. It's not just about how much they know. And I feel like it's so important to get this across right now, because I think a lot of the online learning that's going to be happening is going to be around how to get students to learn the information and the subject content that they need. And that is important, but there's a lot more needed as well. And I think it's going to be more important than ever that students get this other aspect, and I'll share with you exactly what it is. So vital skill number one is the essential ingredient to ensure your team gets the greatest results for their effort, or as I like to put it to students, more bang for their buck. So whatever effort they're putting in, they want to reap the rewards of that in their results. So I want to share with you the study success formula, and I know some of you may have come across this already, and I want to just unpack it a little bit. The study success formula is knowledge plus application equals success. And the important part to note there is the application part. This is the part that so many students are missing in their study toolkit. They're building all of this knowledge, but the reason why, if you've ever had this situation, give me a yes in the chat if you have ever had this situation where your team has worked hard and put in loads of effort or stayed up for hours at night, and then the results come back and it's just been a little bit deflating, or maybe downright disappointing. And this is usually why, because they're missing these skills of application. So I definitely want to deep dive on that a little bit right now.